explain, maybe just walk us through, if for some reason you are arrested or pulled over, what are your rights? What are your initial rights? I know you talked earlier about you don't necessarily have to let them search your car unless there's a warrant, but how do you protest that when you're standing on the side of the road? And
right. Well, you just say no. If it's down to whether they want to search your car or not, unless they have given you probable cause to do that, and you ask them, what is your, if they want to search the car and you don't want them to do that, you ask for a warrant, and if they can't produce one, well then you would say, well then what is your reason to do it? Do you have some reason to think I've committed a crime or I've got some drugs or weapons in my car? If they can't articulate that for you, then you just tell them you refuse. And you know, if they don't comply, well then they've crossed the line.
Sure.
And does the same thing go for a home or an apartment?
Yeah, it definitely, especially in your home. In an apartment, it's the same thing. They have to produce a warrant. The only time an officer can come into your home or your apartment without a warrant is if they believe that you've just fled from some crime and you've run in there and that people in the home are either in danger, or they believe that you've come in there to destroy evidence. You may have some drugs with you and you're going to go flush them down the toilet, but they have to know that you've got those drugs and that they have a reasonable suspicion that that's what's going to happen.